How are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 38 of GoMining solo mining, and in today's video we're going to go over our weekly rewards, obviously, but I'm also going to be sending another 0.01260,323 Bitcoin to my Trezor wallet. It's around $1,125 right now, but I'm in Canada, so it's actually a different conversion. It's actually $1,540, which that's pretty damn good. Obviously I'm not going to do anything with that Bitcoin. I just hold it in my cold wallet. It's like stacking gold. It's literally digital gold. But anyways, back into the actual video. 2 miners, 516 terahash, 15.16 watts per terahash, 6.57% discount. Only got 7 days left on my bonus miner, but that's perfectly okay. We'll still be at 500 terahash. Our total Bitcoin rewards, look at that, 0.04015454 Bitcoin, worth around $3,583.55. But let's see what it actually is, because of course we're gonna go over to the Bitcoin to USD and convert. $3,580.94. Not too bad. It's literally the same. It's basically the same. And our weekly rewards for January 13th to January 19th, it says is 0.00085,123 Bitcoin. But of course, I still don't trust it, so I'm just going to add them up on my calculator. But before I do that, you can see 2 days this week. We had that paid for with our GMT because of, our beautiful referrals. People actually use the referral code down in the description below and start mining Bitcoin for themselves. But I'm just going to pull out the calculator and quickly add these up now. Okay, so yes, some weeks I can trust them, some weeks I just can't. We were only off by a fraction of 2, which is perfectly okay with me. But this number's a little bit higher, so I'm actually just going to copy this number. We're going to bring it to the converter, and we're going to see how much Bitcoin we made last week. I'm going to take a guess, a rough guess. 70 or 80. Ooh, 75. Look, that's right in between. That's literally right in between. Well, kind of, because it's $75.91. Still. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. But now that we've gone over that, we're going to come on over to my wallet. I'm going to click on Bitcoin, and we're going to send this over to my Trezor wallet so I can get off my virtual wallet and put it into cold storage. That way I know it's 100% safe. So I'm going to withdraw. And the best part about this is if you want, you can withdraw your Bitcoin with 0 fees. Of course, you got to have a minimum of 0.0001 Bitcoin. It'll take about 24 hours rather than doing it instantly. But I prefer to do this because, of course, why would I pay a fee for no reason? I can wait. I'm not withdrawing it to sell it and need it. Like, I'm going to save it. So I'm going to click max processing time, just under 24 hours. Next, confirm, and just like that, my withdrawal has been confirmed. Status in progress. My funds will arrive within the next day. It'll probably be within the next few hours, but is what it is. Back to wallet. Oh no, look, I only have $7 in my Bitcoin wallet now. Oh no, I'm broke. I don't give a fuck. And look at this perfect timing. We're going to click the service button. Of course, I've been forgetting. So eventually it will reset again and I will lose 3% of my discounts. And I'm going to have to do another 10 days of clicking it. I usually like to do it at 6 a.m. in the morning, but then sometimes I forget. And it is what it is. Eventually it goes. That is why I would love to get one of these humanoid Go miners, because you don't have to click the service button. It automatically does it for you. So I don't ever have to worry about it. The one thing is, look how damn expensive these are. The cheapest one is listed for just under $10,000. Are you fucking serious? The most expensive are these two. $40,000. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Why? Why do you gotta do that? Why do you gotta do that? But anywho, remember, they're still having their special 10% discount offer, or anywhere from like 8 to 14+% if you're creating a new miner. You can use my referral link down in the description below. You'll get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase, and start investing today, whether it be the stock market, crypto, Bitcoin mining, real estate. Just do something with your money. I always say this. Remember, have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon. Adios.
Come and get you some. We just tryna have some fun, whether it's a bear market or a bull run.